Hey guys, it's Skylar and welcome back to my channel. I look kind of like trash right now. I literally just threw my hair up and put on like a thing of makeup because my skin is breaking out so bad right now. I don't know why. I haven't been taking great care of it recently, and I'm literally just sitting here in sweatpants and a sweatshirt because I wanted to sit down and film and I didn't want to wait. So here we are. Do I care? No, I do not. Anyways, with that being said, today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing, but this is a little different. So recently Boxycharm came out with like a limited edition skincare box. So it was like limited quantities for a limited time. So I happened to get my hands on it, and it's all about skincare. The box only contains skincare items, and I am really excited because, like I said, I've been treating my skin like shit. So now that I have these items, I'm trying to make it better, okay? So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm just going to dive right in. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box, but they do have like other boxes on the side occasionally, like this skincare one. I will leave a link down below to all of my other Boxycharm unboxings, as well as a link to check out the Boxycharm website yourself if you're interested. With that being said, let's just go right into today's video. So this video isn't really like an unboxing. I've actually already opened the box up and I went through all of the items because I really wanted to kind of try out some of them before coming here and reviewing it to you guys, because I feel like when I always do my Boxycharm unboxing videos, I never really know what to give you for like a review, so to speak, because I've never tried the items out. I just unbox the box. So this time it's more of like an unboxing slash review because I have used some of the items. I haven't used all of them, but I've used some of them. So that way I can kind of give you a better rundown of what each item is, how it performs, that kind of thing. When I first opened up the box originally, obviously each box comes with a slip of paper that tells you what each thing is, how much it costs if you buy it separately, what it does. I originally opened up the box. The very first thing on top was the Cosmetics Clean, Clinical, and Luxurious. This is the Jade Roller. Now, I am so excited. It comes in like a little green pouch. And then this is just the Jade Roller. I was really excited. I've wanted one of these for a while, so it's perfect that it came in this box. It's basically like it's a crystal, it's jade, and it's a roller that you roll on your face, and it kind of helps create more of like a blood flow, I guess, if you want to say. Like, it pushes the skin and gives you more circulation, so your skin looks more subtle, more plump. It kind of just gets the blood flowing, gets rid of some impurities. It also will loosen up, you know, those pores that you may have. So I'm really excited to have received one of these in the box. I also think that it's really cute that it comes in one of these green bags. I love the color too, and jade is one of my favorite crystals, so love that. This does retail for $32 if you get it separately. It boosts circulation, and you can use this, like if you put on a face mask, you can use it over that, like a sheet mask. Or if you wanted to, you could put on your face wash and then go ahead and roll this into your skin. Or I've been doing it with moisturizer for the past couple of nights. Like I said, I've tried out a couple of these items, and this was one of them because I was excited. So yeah, I love this. I think it works really well. My skin, like I said, it's been breaking out pretty bad, so I've been trying to like treat it a little bit better. This Jade Roller, I love it. I'm obsessed. I feel like it has made some improvements in my skin, especially like right in my cheek areas. I feel like I get kind of dry there. I get some rough patches. This has taken care of a lot of that just by using the Jade Roller. I've never heard of the brand name Cosmetics. I don't really know what else they sell or have, but I mean, I love this, so I'm interested to see in what else they have on their website. I'd have to check it out. The other thing that you will receive in the box is the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. Now, I have their toner, and I also have the coconut oil that comes in like a jar to remove makeup, and you can use it as like a hair mask and stuff. I love their products. I think that the packaging is really cute. I like that everything is really purified. It's nice. It replenishes, you know, things that you may be missing in your skin, in your hair, your nails. I also like they are non-GMO, silicone-free, and paraben-free, so that is a huge plus for me. They're also vegan, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free as well. The thing that's kind of weird about this, I did use it once or twice these past couple of days, is that so it comes in a pump, which is a little bit different than the rose coconut toner that they have. That's like a spray bottle that you spray on your face. This is really interesting to me because when you pump it out, I'm not going to because it's just going to get all over my hands and I don't have anything to wipe it with. But it's not like your traditional cleanser that like suds up and is almost like, I want to say like sticky or like not creamy, but there's more there. It's like heavier. This is really almost watery, and it's like it's like an oil. So obviously it's coconut oil, but it's very interesting. It takes makeup off really well. Now, I never go in the shower without taking my makeup off first. That's actually really bad to do because your makeup will clog your pores. And then you get in the shower and that hot water and the steam opens up your pores. And because you haven't taken your makeup off, it actually causes more issues than it solves them because your pores tend to get more clogged and then the makeup gets stuck in there. This retails for $32 as well. Also nice because it's coconut oil. It doesn't strip any of those oils that you already have. So if you have really dry skin, this is perfect for you because it is oil, so it won't dry your skin out. The thing that's also really nice, if you're like me, I love coconuts. This smells so good. It smells just like coconuts, and I am obsessed with that. But yeah, that is the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. The next thing in the box, and this I have not tried, this is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm assuming this is just like a peel-off mask, and it's a gel. It looks like created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts. This peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. So I'm assuming that the mask itself is probably pink. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. But this retails for $28, and I am excited. The next item that I have, now I've only tried this once, so I obviously haven't seen much of a difference because when you use something once, it's not going to be like that overnight. But this is the Glam Glow Super Serum, and this is the 6-acid refining treatment. The packaging on it's really cool. It's an octagon, which is really unique. I've never seen anything like that before, at least anything that I have. And then this is what the bottle looks like. It's just a white bottle. And this is, like I said, a serum. It instantly clarifies pores and plumps fine lines. So this is really good if you want like your skin to look a little more plump. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen up dead skin cells. It promotes cell renewal and even the look of dull skin tones and textures. The other thing too is it actually comes with a little sample. Most of their products do when you open up the box. This is just the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's just a face mask. So this is good for like problem skin and stuff, which I think is cool that they always provide a sample. Kind of lets you try out different products that they have. This retails for $65, which is really expensive. And, you know, I'm kind of happy because Boxycharm's kind of upped up their game. When I first subscribed to Boxycharm, like just under a year ago, you know, they had really good products in the box, and this was before I started YouTube, so obviously I don't have all of my Boxycharm unboxings here on YouTube. Before YouTube, their products were really good, but they weren't like, this is like top of the grade, like top-notch items, and they definitely didn't have that at first, so they're really upping their game, and I love it. I am here for it, and I support Boxycharm. So I tried this. I will say my skin did look a little more plump in the morning. I felt really like rejuvenated almost, but like I said, I've only used it once, so I can't really give you like a full-on review of like how much it improved my skin because I've only used it the one time. The other thing in the box, one of my favorite items that I've used so far, this is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. It's moisturizer, obviously. You put it on at night. This retails for $45. I've never used this brand before. I've never heard of it. The thing that's interesting about this is it smells really earthy, like dirt, which sounds gross, but like it's almost like you went to the spa and you got like a mud treatment and they just like slather you in like that nice natural mud. At least that's what I would imagine it would smell like. Kind of like you just rolled around in dirt, which sounds not pleasing, but the smell of this is really good. This is a prebiotic night cream, and I have noticed a really big difference in my skin. I feel like it looks a lot more bright. I wake up, it's really glowy, and I love it. I'm obsessed with this. This is a little bit different than like traditional moisturizer. It's pretty heavy, and that's just because it is a night cream, so it's I don't want to say it's like a face mask, but it's a lot heavier than moisturizer, but it's really nice because it repairs your skin really well. So like if you have really dry skin, this will work super well for you. It is a little bit more on the expensive side, but I think you get what you pay for. Next thing in the box is the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter. I used this for my makeup today. This is the first time I've ever used it. This is a really weird product. It retails for $40, and when they say jelly highlighter, they were not lying. This is so weird. It's like, I can't even flip it up because it'll spill out. It is legit a jelly. I think that the variation might have been that there were other jelly colors that you could have gotten. I don't know for sure. This is in the shade Glow Up, and Farsali is a really good brand. They're pretty expensive. I don't always invest in their products because they're so expensive, but they work really well. This is really weird because, like I said, it is a jelly, but it sets like a powder. I used this underneath my makeup, and I think that it made my skin look really glowy, at least in my opinion. I don't know how well the camera picks up how my skin looks. I think that this is really pretty. It has a high shine finish, even though it sets like a powder. So it's really different. It's not like, you know, your traditional like liquid highlighter. Obviously, I've only used it the one time, but I do think it's really gorgeous on the skin, and I do like the glow that it gives. This Boxycharm also comes with the, and I'm probably gonna butcher the name, it's the Chorus Greek Yogurt face wipes. These are like makeup remover wipes. I have a ton of these, but I am getting kind of low, so it's a good thing that the Boxycharm came in clutch. This retails for $15. I've never heard of this brand before, and I'm assuming that it might be a foreign brand, and that is just because usually like around here in the United States, English tends to be like the first language or whatever the case may be to pop up on like a package. This is not. I don't even know what language this is. I don't know if it's Greek or what. Maybe because it's Greek yogurt. I have no idea. The font reminds me of Greek mythology, so that's just why I'm saying it. Greek yogurt is really good for your face, so I think that it's cool that they've combined, you know, makeup removing wipes that tend to be like really drying and not that great, you know, and they combined it with Greek yogurt. The very last item in the box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. This is hydrating and soothing. It retails for $16. They give you two. I have not tried them yet, obviously. It comes in like a two-part, so like it's actually like split in half. So one part of the mask goes on top and then the other half is on the bottom. It looks like it's a cooling and hydrating skin treatment. I've never really used like a jelly kind of mask, mostly because I've heard reviews, not necessarily on this brand, but just like jelly masks that I've seen in the store that they're not great because they end up ripping apart. I don't know if that's going to be the case for these. It hydrates, brightens, and softens your skin, and it looks like it's made from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. I don't know what that is. Kind of makes me think it's probably from a tree. I'm assuming that it probably smells like watermelon. Again, I don't know. I haven't tried this, but I am really excited. I want to try using the mask and using the roller, the jade roller on top, because I think that that would be really good for the skin. Kind of makes it nice, plump, hydrate. Overall, I'm extremely pleased with this box. I think that the idea of this Boxycharm skincare is great. I hope that they continue to come out with skincare boxes or other kind of like limited edition boxes. I don't know. I'm really happy with this one. I think that they have a really good variety of products. I think that if maybe you've never purchased like high-end skincare products before, maybe you've never used skincare products before ever in your life, who knows? Or maybe you're looking to try some things. I think it's really good because they give you like a full face of skincare. I would totally purchase them. I think that it's a great idea, and I don't think that it's been done before, really. Now, obviously, this box is a little bigger than the traditional Boxycharm box. This box overall came with 8 different items, 9 if you're counting the 2 face masks as a separate entity. The regular Boxycharm you usually get like 4 to 5 full-size items, but in this one you're getting 8 full-size items. So, you know, even though you're paying a little bit more, you're getting more expensive items, you're getting more items. And, you know, you get the skincare box on top of your normal Boxycharm box. Something to note, you can't just purchase the limited edition box. I don't know if it's still on sale anymore anyways. I'm not sure, but something to note is that you already have to be a subscriber to Boxycharm to get the limited edition box. And I think that's just because there is limited quantities, so they kind of want to provide it to, you know, their like ride or die customers. So I have obviously been subscribed to Boxycharm for under a year, so that's why, you know, I was able to purchase the box. I don't know if I already mentioned it. The box itself, the skincare box, is $49.99, I believe, which is more expensive than the normal Boxycharm box, which is only $21 a month unless you get the Boxy Luxe. However, you are getting $273 worth of products. Altogether, that is what this equals. It's a huge step up. You know, you're almost getting $300 worth of items and you're only paying $50 essentially. So that's like 1/6 of what you're paying for. If you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm yet and gotten yourself a box, I would totally recommend that too, because I think that, you know, you're getting over $100 worth of products for the price of $21 a month. That's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will be filming the May Boxycharm because I just received that in the mail as well on top of this, but I am going to try and space those two videos out so you're not getting one Boxycharm unboxing video right after the other. With that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped. I hope you guys are inspired to try new things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm really sorry for being absent like these past couple of weeks on all of my social media platforms. It's not even just YouTube. I've just been so busy, but you know, it's the summertime. I'm back on the horse. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to, you know, come out with new and improved content. But with that being said, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter because I do post additional content on those platforms that you wouldn't see here on YouTube normally. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. You know, all that good thing. Now for Sarli's, I don't know if it's gonna pop up on camera that well. Come on.